we're going to show you how to change icon colors on your iPhone with iOS 18. Customizing your app icons can give your home screen a fresh and personalized look. Until now, if you wanted to change the color of your icons on your iPhone, it was quite hard. From iOS 18, Apple has introduced new ways to personalize your phone. Before we start, please remember to like the video and share it. Thank you a lot. To change the color of icons on your iPhone, just keep your finger on one of the icons from the home screen. A menu will appear. Tap on Edit Home Screen. Now the home screen will enter into the edit mode. On the top, we have an edit option. Tap on it. From the menu, tap on Customize. Now on the bottom, we see some options to customize the home screen. You can set the apps to be automatic, dark, or light. Dark will set your icons on a dark background. Light will set your icons to look regular. If you want to change the app icon color, just tap on the tinted option. You will get two sliders. One is the color and the second one is the saturation. Select a color that you like. Also on the right, you have a color picker icon. That will allow you to get the exact color from your background. Select the color you like. When you are pleased, just tap on the screen and the color will be saved for all your icons. As you can see, all of my icons are now this color. You can come back to the customizer and choose another color or switch back to light or dark mode icons. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to change icon colors on iOS 18 and customize your app icons on your iPhone. This is a great way to personalize your home screen and make your iPhone truly yours. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.